In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Gantt chart in ClickUp 2025. By the end, you'll have a clear project timeline you can share with your team and update in seconds. First, open ClickUp and head into your workspace. This is the home base for your projects, so make sure you're in the correct one if you have multiple. You'll see your spaces and folders on the left and your projects and views in the main area. If you're already signed in, it should load right where you left off. Next, click the specific project where you want to build your Gantt chart. Gantt charts live at the project level in this walkthrough, so picking the right project ensures you're visualizing the correct tasks and deadlines. If your organization has several similar projects, double-check the project name and location in the sidebar to avoid confusion. Once you're in the project, look for the Gantt view and click it. This switches your screen into a timeline layout with dates across the top and a list of tasks down the side. If your project already uses Gantt, it will open immediately with any existing bars. If it's your first time here, you'll see a clean timeline ready for you to populate. On the left side of the Gantt view, click the small arrow to expand your task list. This reveals your tasks, subtasks, and any groupings, making it easy to see everything available to schedule. If the list is collapsed, you won't be able to drag tasks into the timeline. So expanding it is an important step before you start arranging work. Now choose a task you want to schedule and drag it onto the timeline interface. Drop it on the date where you want work to begin. You'll see a bar appear which represents that task's timeline. You can grab the right edge of the bar to adjust the duration and move the entire bar left or right to shift the start date. If you're coordinating multiple tasks, place them in the sequence you expect work to happen so the chart tells a clear story. Repeat that drag and drop action for any other tasks you want visible on the Gantt. As you build, keep related tasks close together and align them with realistic durations. If your chart feels crowded, use the zoom controls to switch between days, weeks, or months for a better view. And that's it. You've opened your workspace, selected the right project, switched to Gantt, expanded your task list, and dragged tasks into the timeline to create a clear visual plan. Save your view, share it with stakeholders, and keep it updated as your project evolves.